But before then, I would like to know...
Mari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge egi ugima wa mwiri, Minister wa ugima wa mwiri na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini onwe Nicholas Muraguri ni monereirie twara mutari wa mathabu wa thirikari Bernard Muchene makiuga riboti iria iramakuruhania na ungumania ndierekereirio uria kwagiriire.
Ordinarily, the internal audit reports to the cabinet secretary through the principal secretary.
Hau kabere, riboti ino yari ati Minister wa ugima wa mwiri niwe waheanite wira kuri mutari wa mathabu, no umuthi ugatiwe waheanite wira ucio. Ona kuri uguo, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya bunge egi ugima wa mwiri Rachel Nyamai nionekanire kugitira aya eri kumana na ciuri imwe nditu iria makuragio ni amemba kamiti ino.
Indicated that he never wrote a letter to transfer somebody. Now we were watching the Senate proceeding yesterday. The cabinet secretary confirmed that there was such a letter.
If all these educated people and these Kenyans don't stick to the truth, Kenyans cannot move. Kenyans will die.
But I'm asking, would you like us now to discuss the letter, or you would like us to go to the subject? We go to the subject.
Magishokeria kamiti ino ciuria mahinyiririe murugamo wao wa hau kabere ati gutiri mbeca ciahuthirirwo uru thiini wa ministry ino ya ugima wa mwiri.
On my
mwerekera-ini uyu mweru ugutigirira mutari wa mathabu Bernard Muchene ni akinya mbere ya kamiti ya bunge egi ugima wa mwiri ona akiangibatara gucokia ciuria cia uria wamuheire wira uyu no ria riboti ino yakinyire nyumba cia mohoro mbere ya gukinya ministry-ini iyo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui.
Been created.